It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
This is my Jurassic Park Jeep. I'm going to show you around. So, this is a Jeep Wrangler 1999 TJ, which I decided to do in the style of the Jurassic Park Jeeps. It has a standard 4-litre petrol engine. Hopefully one day soon I will be swapping it out for something a bit more powerful. The standard 4-litre petrol engine is not fast at all. I doubt it could even outrun a T-Rex. Now, I know this Jeep is far from movie accurate, but I still get a lot of fun out of it nonetheless. And inside the Jeep, I have a lot of replica props from the film, such as the park map, a Velociraptor containment sign, a Barbasol can for smuggling dinosaur embryos, and the yellow raincoat, just in case it rains, which here in England it does a lot. And what Jurassic Park adventure would be complete without a shirtless Jeff Goldblum? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I want to thank Scotty for having me on Show Off Sunday. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that's Jurassic Brighton. Thanks again for watching.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!